A delayed Chime direct deposit usually happens because your employer hasn't released payroll yet, the payment is still processing through the banking network, or your deposit details were entered incorrectly. By the end of this, you'll know how to track where your direct deposit is stuck, how to confirm if Chime has received it, and what actually causes most delays in the first place. Start by opening the Chime app and checking your transaction history. If the deposit is not showing at all, the payment has not reached Chime yet from your employer or payroll provider. If it shows as pending, it's already in the system but still being processed before final posting. Next, confirm with your employer that payroll was actually submitted on time. Many delays start on the payroll side, especially if the company uses batch processing instead of instant transfers. If payroll was sent, check whether your direct deposit routing and account numbers are correct. Even a small mismatch can send funds to a different account or cause a rejection that delays the deposit. Next, look at the expected pay date in your employer system. Chime can only release funds after they receive them, even if your payday has already arrived. Now check your available balance versus total balance in the app. Sometimes deposits are received but not fully reflected in available balance until processing completes. If nothing is showing, sign out of the app and sign back in. That refresh can update delayed transaction data that hasn't synced properly yet. Next, make sure your Chime app is fully updated. Outdated versions can sometimes display missing or delayed deposit information. If you recently changed jobs, payroll systems, or bank details, that can also temporarily slow down deposits while everything re-verifies. In that case, the issue usually resolves after 1 or 2 full payroll cycles once everything is stable. Avoid repeatedly contacting support before confirming payroll status with your employer. Most delays are caused upstream, not inside Chime itself. If your employer confirms the deposit was sent, but it still hasn't arrived after the expected time, contact Chime support. Provide your paydate, employer name, and deposit amount so they can trace the transfer. To sum it up, check payroll submission, verify account details, confirm deposit status in the app, and refresh your account session. Next, always confirm with your employer first before assuming the issue is with Chime. If this guide helped, like the video. Subscribe for more Chime tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.